Samsung's latest foldables have arrived with the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. The company has refined its offerings over the past several years in order to deliver the most complete experience possible. While the designs might be boring to some, there are a number of reasons why the brand holds the top spots every year when it comes to the best foldable smartphones available. But, regardless of the improvements, there's one thing that's still missing, and the company is well aware of one of its biggest problems with its foldables.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You wanna create this kind of news video, guys? So this video is for you. We'll make this video in 4 steps. In first step, we'll find the news. In second step, we'll make the videos of that news. In third step, we'll find the background. In fourth step, we will do editing, and our video will be ready, guys. So let's start the video. Firstly, you will have to open your Google Chrome and you will have to search Google News. Open this first website. Then this kind of interface will come, guys. You can choose any news, guys. So let me check technology section. See, I'll choose this news. So open this. See, guys, Samsung is working to solve one of the biggest problem with his foldable. So I'll copy the whole script. And then again, you will have to open your Google Chrome. And then you will have to search KreadoAI, guys. Then open this website. If you're not finding this website, I have given the link in the description below for all the website, guys. By clicking on that link, you will come to this interface. So come to the KreadoAI. Firstly, you will have to log in. After that, click on free trial. Then go to the video creation, guys, and click start creating. There are so many characters, guys, so you can choose any character you want. These are paids, and in upper part, 3-4 characters are free of cost. So I'll choose this one, free character. You can preview it. See, it's good, guys. It is looking like a news anchor. So I'll choose this character. Then go here. You will have to choose the language. English, Chinese, Mandarin. There are 8 languages, guys. Whatever kind of voice you want. So I'll choose this girl. Here you will have to paste your news, guys, whatever you copied from Google News. So see, guys, I pasted my news, whatever I had copied from Google News. Then click on generate video. See, they are saying please listen first. So we'll have to listen this first. Firstly, we'll have to listen it by clicking on audition. After that, click on generate video. And click on generate video, guys. See, guys, it is showing it will complete in 11 minutes. So our video is ready, guys. Come to the next step, third step. We'll find the background for this news, guys. So now go to the canva.com and open the first website, canva.com. Then you will have to click on create design. Here you will have to search YouTube video. So click on YouTube video, guys. Here you will have to search news, guys, breaking news. And you can choose any free pamphlet, guys, or a paid pamphlet if you have paid subscriptions of Canva. So I'll choose this one. You can increase or decrease as per your convenience, guys. Then you will have to click on share and you can download it from here. See, guys, it has started downloading. See, it will be downloaded, guys. Then again, come to the KreadoAI, guys, and go to the My Project. And see, guys, our video is ready. So click on download button. See, guys, it has started downloading. So it will be downloaded, guys. So this is the fourth and last step, guys. So I have opened the VSDC video editor to edit the video. So you can use any video editor, guys. There are so many out there in the Google Chrome. Just you have to search online video editor and you will be able to edit it, guys. So I'm showing in VSDC. So after that, click on blank project, click finish. And here you will have to import your both video. So click on add object, click video and import the both video, guys. So here is my both video, guys. So I just customize it. After that, I'll remove this background, the green background. So click on this video, go to the video effects, click on transparency, click on background remover, click OK. Go to the properties window, click the edit button and click it again. See guys, the background got removed. The whole video is ready, guys. You can customize this. Just let me play this video for you. See guys, the whole video is ready. The whole video is ready, guys. Now click on export project and click on export project, guys. And your video will be downloaded, guys. Click continue. So I hope you like the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. All the best.